XCMG XE310DA, hot-selling 31-ton excavator for overseas job sites. Powerful commands engine for strong output and low fuel consumption. Reinforced chassis and hydraulics built for mining and heavy earth moving. 1.4 and 1.6 square meter large bucket. Strong digging force. 4 working modes. Perfect for earthwork and braking. High working efficiency. We have XCMG XE310DA in stock. On-site inspection or remote video check available. One-stop service for selection to container shipment.
Need a solid 31-ton excavator you can trust? Come to Tyson. We are right here in Zhengzhou. Come on over. I'm Ashley. Hope to see you here in Zhengzhou.